guys, welcome on this segment where we do intuitive readings for you. And we have today's message for you, very much strong. You have read the caption by now. This is your message. Follow your dreams, okay? Follow your dreams with 100% potential that you have within you, okay? This is your life. Trust me, this intuitive message came to me just doing something, and I was like, yes, this is your message. This is my collective's message today. Okay, so you're being told to follow your dreams. This is double three energy. I'm just gonna find out what exactly do we have for you guys. Okay, till then means I'm just gonna read for you. Till then you can like my video right away. There is a button called subscribe. You can subscribe to me, and you can also press that notification bell icon so you receive all my future updates and you don't miss any of them. Okay, yeah, you can comment down below what are your dreams. Like, you just tell the universe, I'm gonna follow my dreams. Okay, I feel like this reading should motivate you a lot, just to keep following your dream and never stop. Please don't look back. Only look back when you think like, I've been busy with following my dreams for 100 years, and what have I made? Oh, this is what I have created. I have been doing this a lot. Okay, so this is what your energy should be. Okay, let's just find more. Okay, any of you want to get your intuitive messages, personal readings, psychic messages, you can contact me through WhatsApp. The number is in the description box below. Okay, spirit guides, please tell me what is happening in collective's life, how they should follow their dreams, how they should go and just never stop with this. Let's just find out. Okay, we have the strength card. Leo energy. Yes, you need to claim that confidence of yours. We have 11 number. In case you are so much into spirituality, in case you are feeling like, okay, life should change for me, life will change for me in 10 days from now, any day now. Yeah, it is asking you to embrace yourself, embrace your confidence, embrace your love. Okay, look at that. Sun is shining on you. You're the lion of the jungle, you're the king of the jungle. You have rose, which means you're very much also, this is 11 number. For this particular strength card in this deck, it's at 11, and you should follow whatever you wanted in life. So life is asking you to feel the love and go for it. This is 3-3 again. Okay, we have the Father of Wands. Who are you? The King of the Jungle. We have the Mother of Wands. Okay, oh my god, in case any of your spirit guides is lion, big cats, we have two people coming together. We have two people coming together with the Father and the Mother of Wands. It could be your person and you coming together. It could be a new relationship that you're going for. It could also be your parents, that they are protecting you, or maybe you are protected with these two cards, but you are being called to follow love. With the very first card, I feel like most of you dreamt about love. Most of you dreamt about courage. Most of you wanted to experience love, and this is your call. Let that person walk in your life, who is meant for you, or who you are meant for. Okay, let this person come to your life. Someone wants to come to your life. This is also, I'm getting a Shubh sign with a swastik right now, and I'm also getting like you could be getting married very recently. So this is about following your dream. This is a nice reading, guys. Okay, there is a rose for sure. You could be going for sadhana to Sai Baba. Okay, Sai Baba is your spirit guide. I'm getting Sai Baba is your spirit guide. White rose is coming here very specifically. Okay, I'm also getting fertility for you. You will receive some kind of some of you could receive pregnancy news, or some of you are just could be getting very much beautiful if you're single. If you're not with anyone, you could feel the energy psychically from your person. You could feel that intuitively from your person. Someone is coming to your life. If you're single, if you're married, you could get pregnant, something like that for you. Okay, Sai Baba is also protecting you, and Lord Narsimha is also protecting you. Sherawali Mata is also your spirit guide for some of you. Okay, we have Two of Wands. You've been waiting for this person. Yeah, look at that. You've been waiting for this person. There is Two of Wands. You've been waiting to say something. You've been waiting to go back to your emotions. You've been waiting to cry. Maybe you've been waiting to laugh. You've been waiting to spend your time with someone. This is your person who is looking at you. There is some sort of higher energy, or this could be, karmas. This could be sacral chakra also. This could be your confidence. Everything is coming back and getting your person back to you. So this is about you following your dreams, which means you need to get your conquer, something like conquering. Okay, conquer your emotions, conquer your what you want in life, conquer who you are. I've been getting this card, and this card has been going back and back. Look at that. I have to fetch this. This is Ace of Wands. Came twice in this reading, and I'm just like picking it up. Don't come out now. This time it was going back. So yeah, this is Ace of Wands. This is a new beginning. Look at that. Two of Wands and Ace of Wands together. Whatever you have been waiting, yeah, this is a communication. You and your person are gonna have a communication. We have the Daughter of Swords. Yeah, you and this person has been crying without you. This person has been thinking, why you left me. Someone, like, if you were dating someone and you left them, or you still are with someone, this person wants to cry to you. This person wants to talk to you. This person has been saving their emotions and not telling you a lot of things that they want to show you. It's just that they want to cry in front of you. I'm getting like they want to cry in front of you. Your person wants to have a, yeah, so whenever you receive this communication from your person, it would be from the divine higher power is intermediating between you two. I can just see the cards, and I can see that divine power is connecting you two. And this is also about sacred feminine and sacred masculine coming together. This is snakes. This is also your kundalini energy. This is also your life force. This is also your fear getting away. This is also, it could be, cobras. It could be any kind of snakes that you worship or something like that. That is also coming. So something will change. This is about your sacral chakra a lot. Okay, sacral chakra is coming, and divine forces are guiding your person and you right now to come towards each other, talk to each other. Or maybe there is some kind of a, something that is taking a birth right now between you and your person. Okay, we have Eight of Wands here. A lot of wands, fire energy, a lot of you. Okay, we have fire energy, and we have soul, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. You are here right now. Okay, Eight of Wands. Something is gonna hit you, like a message, sudden message, right? On your weight. Hit you means suddenly there would be something. So Eight of Wands exactly on you. Something, some kind of truth you will receive about your person, or this is a message from your person. This is air energy. This is divine energy. Divine energy entering to you. You could receive something. You could receive a message from your person. We have the Daughter of Pentacles card now. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is here. Page of, yeah. Okay, this is about your person's message. This is about divine entering your headspace, your crown chakra. So this could be a new thing. Okay, this is not karmas. Trust me, this is not anything bad. This is something good. When your wait is over, okay, this is also some kind of a opportunity. This is also some kind of, and this is your person's message. You could expect your person's message right away. I mean, I just wanted to make this an intuitive reading, and this is coming as a love reading. This is why I shifted to completely doing the love readings, and I used to do this all the time. So I am doing these two videos. You are getting two videos every single day. One is the love message, and the other one is the intuitive message. But for today, the intuitive message has also turned out to be a love reading for you. So, a lot of love I'm sending you right now, because this reading is gonna change a lot of you. I feel like you're gonna glow. You're gonna glow. Glowing energies, receiving a lot of finances, receiving a lot of financial opportunities. You will find your way back to your person. Your person will find their way back to you. This is the divine energy guiding you guys right now. Any final cards? We have the Mother of Swords. Okay, let's see. Any final cards for my collective today? We have the Emperor. Okay, your person. Okay, let's see more. What do we have more? Spirit guides, please connect with the cards and tell my collective what they need to know. We have the Son of Cups. Okay, let's see more. Oh my god, you just know. Okay, we have 10 of Swords here. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, you are here. Okay, we have 8 of Swords. Your person, oh my god, your person just wants to tell you they are attracted to you romantically. Okay, they want to be with you. They want to spend their time with you in a single house. Like 4 is very prominent. This person is not an egoist. If this Emperor card is making you feel like my person is very much egoist and they always do what they wanted, no, it's not. They want to cry in front of you. They want to cry because they did not let you go. They did not let you go. You could have felt that they have done a lot of backstab, but I'm receiving 8 of Swords with it. It's more like you thought that your person was attacking you, but it's not the case. Your person was not attacking you. It's not the case. They are interested in you romantically a lot. They want to give you this offer, but they're waiting. Like, look at that. They're waiting. They're waiting. They're looking forward to have to give you this offer. Okay, I feel like you also want to tell your person a lot of, shouting, a lot of fighting you want to do with your person. I received the Mother of Swords card, okay, earlier on. Let's see, Mother of Swords again I received. Yeah, you're so on point. Sometimes you're so straightforward that people don't understand what you want to say, and your person is more like, I don't know what to do now. So your person is always feeling some kind of detachment from your side. Okay, yeah, so maybe you are a person who detaches a lot. Okay, we have these 3 cards, okay, showing up right now. We have 5 of Pentacles. Your person is really not happy without you. Oh my god, they're not happy without you. So not happy without you. They just want to cry so bad. Okay, so bad. This person has always waited for you. There is a star energy. Something is being lined up for you and your person. Claim this message with 1717 Leo energy. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius is your energy. Aquarius is your energy. Claim this message. And you could also be, your person could also be Aries, Cancer, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Aries. Your person could be that or not, but there are a lot of things. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is also there for your person. So you're gonna be aligned for a lot of new things. This is the page of wands, sorry, swords, daughter of swords. I have a lot of swords for you. You could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, a lot of swords for you, but see, I'm telling you, you're very straightforward. You are loved, and you have some kind of, just like that. You would be on the face. Whatever you want to say, you would be on the face. Okay, and I feel like you are also very responsible person. This is why the way you are the way you are. This is Mother of Wands and Mother of Swords. So yeah, you have a lot of responsibilities, but expect a good news, expect a proposal, expect divine energy coming to you. Expect some kind of new opportunities, and this would not happen just because you're good and you're doing great and you're hardworking and everything. This would also be a divine intervention. I'm getting very strongly. The stars are being aligned. The stars are definitely being aligned. I've been telling you this intuitively. I've been feeling this, okay? So yeah, you're supposed to do that and follow your dreams, okay? I love you guys. Claim this message, okay? Claim this message however the way you want to, however it has appealed you, however it has resonated with you. Claim it with all your heart, all your intentions, okay? I love you guys. Tell me in the comment section below and show me through likes what this message meant for you, okay? Get your personal readings, personal counseling sessions with me through WhatsApp. You can find the number only and only in the description box below. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, okay? I love you. Radhe Radhe to all of you. Keep smiling. I will see you next time. Bye bye.